Hi, Cancer Moons. Thank you so much for being here. I am Divine Femme Care at 144. Very happy, grateful, and blessed to bring you this reading. This reading is designed for those who have their moon sign in the zodiac sign of Cancer, unlimited to anyone who should find this message or should this message find you. For your reading, I will be doing a 6-card spread. I have already pre-shuffled the deck. I will shuffle the deck a few more times, split the deck, and then we'll begin your reading. I just wish you all the best. I hope that everyone is feeling well and staying well and feeling blessed, enjoying yourselves and living your best lives, sharing that love, spreading that love, and receiving that love. Cancer Moons. Alright, we'll leave this right about here. Let's see what we got for you. First card, and I'm not doing reversals. We have the Temperance card. And right away I'm getting patience. I did get twin flame energy, but I am getting patience. Continue to have patience, continue to alchemize and to live your best life by sharing the love between yourself here. I'm seeing those 2 cups there. That representing masculine and feminine, and the angel presence, I'm just getting it as you being safe and protected and having what you need to manifest, to continue to stay connected. Seeing that toe dipped into the water there. And that being about healing energy there too. And with that toe going into the water, I'm just getting it as being a part of cleansing energy that is helping to clear chakras and to really come through when it comes to that crown chakra region there. This is a card of 14. It breaks down to a 5. So I'm getting this being connected to Hierophant energy, connected to you. That having to do with loyalty, support, having the keys, being very blessed, strong commitment, and really truly having the fire from within you. The Hierophant is also a card of Taurus. So that being connected to abundance. This could be about meditating here too, to stay strong in meditation, continue to have patience, continue to have trust, and that knowing that all is well and everything that you're doing is in succession. It's all in divine timing, and that is also what that Temperance card stands for too. That 14 also creates a 3. So that being connected to Empress energy, collaboration, manifesting, healing from 3 of Swords energies, and really knowing how to do what's best for you, transmuting that 3 of Swords energy and coming into even greater for yourself. But you are safe and protected, and this is all in divine timing. Let's see what your second card is. And there's the 3 of Cups. So here's part of that 3 energy, and this being celebration. And so I feel with the 3 energies that I did mention, all those culminations and the tools of those 3 energies now being the succession here with this 3 of Cups here, which is beautiful. So a lot of you, we are getting into the holiday season, and I'm just getting great celebration, a lot of happiness coming together. And this doesn't have to do with the holiday. A lot of you may not celebrate the holiday of Thanksgiving. But this just being about you being celebrated, celebrating yourself, but also being celebrated. A lot of great joy and happiness. Great gathering of the soul here, masculine, feminine, and divine energy. Celebrating the Empress in you, and you could be male or female. But having that wholeness and coming through with that win, with the dedication of patience and alchemy, Going from that 2 cup to this 3 cup. So that just speaking to great improvement, great progression, great succession here. Cups is your energy here. And then also Scorpio, Pisces, and a Fucus. That's great. I love that energy. Your 3rd card. Oh, wow. Look at this. And we have the 3 of Pentacles with the collaboration. So I'm just getting this being a continuance of what it is that you've been manifesting. Beautiful energy. Because I do feel we have 3s across the board here. This being the 3rd card. That 14 creating a 3. We have a 3 here and a 3 here. So you may be seeing a lot of 3s. 3, 3, or 3, 3, 3. And this all coming together to create a very high spiritual 9 here. So not only do you have celebration, succession, great gathering, and coming together, but surrounding yourself with individuals and just having the environment of this working together for the greater good. For some of you too, this could also be about a coming together in a union, a family that's coming together. But this is mainly about what I'm getting is just coming together to reach a common goal and being successful at this. And there being great reward with this energy here. This is Pentacles, part of your polarity energy of Capricorn. And then also Virgo and Taurus. And we do have those energies here. With this being Earth energy, your polarity energy of Capricorn, 2nd house energy with the 2nd card placement of Taurus, and then the 6th energy with the 2 3s here coming from Virgo. Virgo being a great healer energy too. Taurus being highly abundant, being ruled by Venus, having to do with great comforts and luxuries, and beautiful surroundings. So you're in a beautiful spot that you've manifested. Having patience. Patience is key. Let's scoot this over a little bit. We'll see what your 4th card is. That 4th card having to do with you. 4th house energy of Cancer. All right. So, hard work paying off. Continuing to stay diligent and do the work that's necessary. Coming together in agreement. It's like there's a time for work, there's a time for play. Is what I'm getting here too, but everything working out in the way that it should, having to do with that divine timing. So others working together with you, I feel this is an opportunity for some of you to get some more work in here and to produce and create even more pentacles for yourself. This coming under the Temperance and speaking to that alchemy and all the tools, using all your tools in the meantime, in between time, to elevate yourself and to create better, but also being safe and protected to do what it is that you do. This is 8th house energy, so connected to the 4 energy. With this being the 4th card, I'm just getting a doubling of that. And then seeing the 2 8s, technically we have 3 8s in here. That all coming together to a 24, those coming together to create a 6. And that going back to the Virgo energy, but then also the 6 of Cups, where I'm getting that being important to you and that childlike energy. And then also the Lovers, where you're bringing great love and manifesting love for yourself. And the beautiful surroundings of that Venus energy connected to that too, with the Taurus energy as well. Taurus energy also has the energy of being that bull energy. And I'm getting that being a part of this here too. And this is Pentacles with Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn again. Great work here. Moving towards that 10 of Pentacles. I'm just seeing the crown being lit here, just as I was getting here from the Temperance card. And the energy of working hard when it comes to the mind state, being strong in the mind and being at peace. with that Two of Cup energy being right above this here too, and staying balanced. And this is a gold energy, but this is also rainbow energy that goes between those two cups there too. So that also having to do with that chakra energy that I was getting as well. Working hard on yourself and then seeing great result. Again, as above, so is below, with that 8 energy also being the infinity symbol. Bringing that down into the physical. And you having this succession of a current pentacle, now working on this one here where I'm getting this being completed here too as well. We have 6 pentacles here. So that being a part of that 6 energy there too. And that being about being a great humanitarian, being in a position where you've gained a lot. And now that you've gained all this, you're able to return it back and be in that benevolence and provide for those who are in need of that caring, that sharing, the energy of kindness, you delivering kindness and working hard on this, being a great humanitarian. And also this angel representing you here too. You know, being covered and protected by the angels, but you're here to be that great earth angel. Let's see what your 5th card is. And this is also too, you know, with the energy of this being your energy, having to do with the home and security. So working hard towards that and your serenity overall. And then, you know, we got that energy of protection and safety with the angels here. So that just being aligned there with that 8 of Pentacles there. Wonderful. Magician energy here. So this being that pinnacle that's being worked on here is what I'm getting there. That 8th pentacle being connected to the esoteric world is what I'm getting. So you gaining greater intuitiveness. That being also connected to the crown and the gifts that you're receiving from your ancestors, from spirit, from your team, and being supported here too. I feel that there's ascension here, and this is beautiful energy. You just, the happiness, the celebration, and a lot of you, I'm getting this being ancestor energy here, and all that happiness and that joy, just being, so it's a part of that crown energy, just being right above you here, and giving you everything that it is that you need. So doing that hard work even more, being blessed, working on that humanitarianism, and knowing how to bring in what it is that you need at all times. I feel that you're also showing, you know, how it is that you bring in this happiness here too. And why it is that you continue to celebrate and be celebrated. This is that as above, so is below energy. So I'm just getting you having the mastery here, and this being the succession, this magician energy. And I got that here with this 3 of Cups here. So what I'm getting is, you know, the spiritual and the physical of you here. With the hard work being here in that Temperance, hard work being here in that 8 of Pentacles, the payoff being here in that 3 of Cups, and now here in this Magician card. And because of this, we have that 3 of Pentacles. Very interested to see what we get for that last card here. But this being you is that 1 energy here too, and having that champion spirit. The infinity symbol representing that as above, so is below energy. And you just having mastery of this. Having all the elements to be able to do as you wish. This is Gemini energy, so you may have cusping energy, or you just may have a very significant Gemini energy in your chart. And I'm just hearing twinning, you finding and discovering the true twin from within yourself, and that being a part of that 2 of Cups there too. So taking the past experiences of that 3 of Swords that was coming through and what you dealt with, transmuting this and just completely going straight champion with it. You've been given the baton, been given the torch, because you've been trusted. And, you know, that being all because of the hard work that you put in here. You continuing to have faith and believe in yourself here too. Great creator here. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's see what we have for, and this is transformative energy and also that Hierophant energy being connected to that, and what was being picked up on with that Hierophant energy too. That was also coming from that 5 energy in the Temperance there. So great gifts that have come through for you. Your 6 card. Lovely. Great reward and success here. That's the final result of this hard work all paying off here in collaboration. The collaboration station and what all can take place when you put that work in for yourself. Beautiful energy here. 10 of Pentacles. You're full of pentacles here. This is so beautiful. This is Capricorn, Taurus, and Virgo. That 10 energy having to do with that new beginning in this one and what it is that you have manifested for yourself. The 10 breaking down to a 1 here. But this is having everything that you need. Being very wealthy, very stable, together in union, but I'm getting that being that 2 of Cups here that has to do with you and what it is that you represent and how you work for that energy here in this 8 of Pentacles when it came to the home situation. So being very content when it comes to your home situation. The ancestor being here too. It all just coming together. This whole entire reading now being in this 10 of Pentacles here. Well, I'm also getting 10 of Cups as well. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Strong Capricorn energy is coming through with this being a 10 here too as well. And 10th house being connected to Capricorn and that being the house of career and also great work. And this is also new home energy here too that I'm getting. So doing what it is that you wish, manifesting for yourself and creating whatever it is that you want. And you setting your sights high, knowing the worth and the value from within yourself. These 10 Pentacles also create the Tree of Life here too. So this being a part of that 6 energy in the Lover's card as well. So manifesting that great love there too as well. And that is what I'm getting also connected to that 10 of Cups. But being surrounded by great loved ones here, coming together and enjoying each other here. And for some of you, that very well could be connected to the beautiful holiday season that we're coming into. The dogs, we got the children being held, having it all, and feeling great, feeling content, feeling stable, feeling grounded, and continuing to increase on this here too. It just goes, it continues to go up from here. You have the key to success. You have the recipe. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Here's that Devil energy in reverse. I'm not doing reversals, but I do feel that this message wanted to come through significantly for you. With that, you know, this being after that Temperance card, I feel that's about, you know, the way that you've manifested and how you have overcome by doing that hard work for yourself and defeating that energy. That being a part of the shadow energy and the polarity energy of Capricorn, that being a card of Capricorn for you. Great works here and beautiful successions, beautiful rewards for yourself, and you should be proud of yourself, more than proud of yourself, and do definitely treat yourself. I did just make a post with sprinkles and sent the message, you know, if you haven't got on that, make sure you treat yourself to something with sprinkles on it. I know I am for sure, and it's going to be Krispy Kreme donuts that look like the donuts from The Simpsons. I'm so excited. I'm so excited, but really do celebrate yourself and treat yourself. The possibilities are endless here with what it is that you have really come into. So do, again, set your sights high and, you know, put that effort in, continue to put that effort into your worth and your value with the setting of yourself. Just dream big, go beyond what it is that you know, typically or normally do and how you move. And really go for that gusto because you have it all here. It's all here and you're doing beautiful. You're doing wonderful. You are stellar. Cancer Moons, this was your reading. I hope that these messages were helpful, enlightening, enriching, and empowering for you. I thank you all so much for your continued love and support. Welcome to all new subscribers. And until we meet again, I wish you all the very best. Take great care. I love you. Peace.